Good morning. Happy New Year, everybody. January 1st, 2021. So excited to be taking a walk down on our farm. Got a little linger cough here every now and then, but I'm just happy to be feeling much better. Had the coronavirus, COVID, whatever you want to call it, for the last 3 weeks. I've been cleared to go back to work, and it's about 20 degrees out this morning. I bought myself a brand new Savage 22 long rifle here. It's got open sights, iron sights on it right now. I'm gonna outfit it yet with a Vortex scope, and I think we're gonna get a Tacticam FTS to be able to film through the scope as well. But for today, I'm just taking a slow walk down on the farm. We're gonna see if we can't get lucky with a couple squirrels. So I'm gonna film the whole thing with Tacticams today. So hopefully it comes out really well. I got the 5.0 wide. That'll give you my view, or actually you'll see me with that, and I'm filming right now. And I got two 5.0 ultras. One on my head here, and then another one I'll set up if I decide to sit stationary. So, but come on along. New Year's Day 2021. I hope you are all safe and happy and healthy. And I'm going to start the year off where I love to be, and that's outdoors, breathing some wonderful fresh air in. We're going to beat this thing in 2021. It's going to be a great year. Let's go see if we can't get some squirrels and bring it to you all on the Tacticams. Alright, so I just saw a squirrel up here. I'm just going to sneak. See if we can see him. There's one. Take my time. Seen 2 squirrels so far. It can be tough. It's loud. I hear him. Well, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to let him go. Unless I see him here. I'm gonna keep walking up here. See what we see. Okay, guys. So I made it up top. I saw another squirrel run. He went into this big tree, but then another one ran down that way. But this is where we've hunted a lot in deer season. I always see a ton of squirrels here. It's so loud and crunchy right now, so I climbed up into this ladder stand, and I'm just gonna sit here for a little bit and see if anything doesn't start coming back. Good rest here, so we'll see what happens. Just gonna sit back and enjoy the morning here a little bit, and then we'll sneak maybe down the edge of this cornfield here a little bit, try and be as quiet as we can. So I'm gonna sit tight. Got a squirrel right here. Coming down. Let's see. Where'd they go? Yeah, on the ground. I'm having fun plucking. There's the other one. Where's he at? He's coming this way. See if I can get a closer shot. Sit still for a second. Shot over. Oh, I think I got him on that one. I think I got that one. Yep, squirrel down. Nice! This is fun. Alright, we got one dead over there. That's funny. Alright, we got another squirrel on the ground here, so let's see if we can get a shot at this one. It's coming across. Missed him. I don't know how I missed that one. Still trying to get used to this new 22 I got. I'm shooting the iron sights, and I didn't get a chance to really do any target practice with it, so I'm trying to adjust as I'm shooting. It's a lot of fun though. It's a lot more challenging, that's for sure. Well, we definitely have one down right there though. Well, I'll sit tight for a little bit yet, and not gonna hunt real long this morning because my wife is still home, not feeling the best, so don't want to be too long away from her. Just wanted to get out, enjoy a little bit of fresh air, and shoot at some squirrels. I'm not doing too well, but I'm having a lot of fun. Alright guys, well, I decided to get down. It was getting a little chilly sitting up there, and I don't want to be out too long, so let's go over here and we'll go over here. Got this one squirrel down, and we'll take a look at him, and just walk the perimeter of the cornfield here and see if we can't catch, one or two hanging around yet, and work our way back. It's been a fun morning. Pretty nice squirrel here. Oh, he's a real nice one. Big old bushy tail right there. Check that out. Nice one. Cool. Well, the trip is not for nothing. Even if we didn't get a squirrel, it's just fun being out here. But we got one. Be nice if we can get maybe one more or two before it's all said and done. So cool. Put this one in my vest here, and take a little walk. There's plenty of squirrels around here. Just a matter of finding them and getting a shot at them before they run, because it's so loud. I'm surprised I missed that one. Had an easy shot on it, but that's okay. Just hard hitting them. They're moving. I'll go down here. Well, I think I'm just gonna work my way along the edge out of here. A lot of deer droppings in here. They've all been laying in here, it looks like. That's pretty good to know. Going out to this cover crop, eating all these beets out here. But I'll show you what they've been eating on here. Check this out. So they're eating these turnips. We got beets all in through there. Look at this over here. These deer are just coming right out. Look at how they got that eaten all in there. You can see all of them everywhere, all across. So these deer are just coming in to this bottom field here, and this whole field for that matter. I mean, we've got just a huge cover crop. Through here. I mean, look at the size of some of these freaking things. Look at this right here. Look at this. I mean, that's a big beet. Well, guys, I guess I gotta practice with my gun. I literally just picked this up yesterday just to have some fun, and I had fun. Missed quite a few squirrels with these iron sights because I don't have it. I really didn't even shoot it yet, so I'm off. But that's the fun of it right now. Just having a little fun this morning. Been sick for the last 3 weeks, so it just feels good to get out. Got one squirrel. We'll take him home, get him cleaned up, and maybe hunt some deer tomorrow with the bow. Late season, so a lot of fun. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me. I'll share that squirrel with you one more time here. There he is. Good looking bushy tail. Pretty excited about that. Big old male squirrel. So, alright guys, thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed watching me miss. And as always, hey, click that subscribe button. We appreciate everything that you do and all your support. Ring that bell so you know every time we post a new video. And we'll clean this guy up, get some gravy, have a little squirrel maybe tomorrow. Gotta have some pork and sauerkraut on New Year's. See you next time.